We'll guide you through how to fix the HP laptop touchpad or trackpad not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So the touchpad or trackpad not working is a really annoying problem, and it almost makes the device unusable because it's really hard to go and navigate. It is possible to do with the keyboard, but it's very limited. And of course you can go and plug in an external mouse, but it's much easier and better just to be able to go and use the trackpad and touchpad. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about trying to go and fix this. Make sure it is full guide so you can go and know the different methods you can try doing. And without any further ado, let's go and get started with this. So what you need to do is, for the first method, we need to go and press on the Windows Start key. Now what we're going to do in here is we're going to go and type in Touchpad settings, as you can see. Now, what you want to do is once you see it, you want to select it. If you need to, you can always go and use the up and down arrow keys to go and make sure you have the right one selected and press enter. Now, at the top, you've got touchpad and there's an on and off switch. So to go and toggle this, you need to go and use the space bar. So you can see it's currently off, so I press it, it's now on, meaning it's enabled. You can go and see it's now working for me. If it still isn't, don't worry, we're still going to guide you through how you can go about fixing it. What you can do is you can go and press the tab key and that will select the arrow, and then you can go and press enter. And what you want to do is make sure if you're using an external mouse is you can go and select leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. If that's unselected, if I press on tab, you can go and make sure that is selected by pressing the space bar. Otherwise it may not work when an external mouse is plugged in. So go and see if that solves it. For the next fix, we close out of this by pressing Alt and F4. What we now need to do is go and press on the Windows key at the bottom of the keyboard. And in here, you need to go and type in something called Device Manager. It's where you can go and manage the devices. So we can go and type it in like so. And there it is. Once again, you can go and use the arrow keys up and down to select the option you want and press enter, and it will go and open up. Now in here, you want to go and press the tab key, and that will go and bring you into the list. And you can then go and use the arrow keys, and you want to go down until you go and find mice and other pointing devices. So with it selected, by using the down arrow key, press up if needed as well. Press the right arrow key to expand it, and then you can go and see the touchpad in here. You want to go and press enter with that highlighted, and it will open up. Now you can go and press tab until you've got general selected. That'll be a couple times, keep pressing it, and a little box goes around it. Now what you can do is you can go and use the right and left arrow key to navigate along here. Navigate just to driver though, so you just press the right arrow key once, and then you can go and press tab again and keep pressing it until we've got update driver selected, and you can then press enter. Press enter again on search automatically for drivers, and then you can press enter and you can go and press close like so. Just to make sure it's up to date, see if that solves it, if there is one available. If it still doesn't, press tab again until you have uninstalled device selected and press enter, and press tab until you have uninstall selected. A little box goes and appears around it just like that, and then you can go and press enter. It will then go and uninstall it like so, and that's it. Now, what you want to do is go and press the Windows Start key, and you then want to go and press the tab key. Keep pressing it until we go and have the power button selected, and you want to go and press enter. And then with the downwards arrow key, you want to go and make sure you've got restart selected and press enter. Now go and wait for it to go and complete. It shouldn't go and take too long. And when it comes back on, it should then go and have reinstalled the touchpad, hopefully resolving the problem of it not working. It's now gone and started. So what I'll do is I'll go and log in like so. And now you can go and see that the touchpad is working. I can go and move the cursor and I can go and click.